Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Exclusive tie-ups with Daily Hunt and Insurance. So Tata Sky, Airtel, Jio, Dan Hathaway, all of these are happening. You'll be able to catch India Ahead there. 600 to 700 million people, and go ahead as that show reaches nearly 900 million people across the country.
This guy come in front and you will be there. Sir, would you like to come to some better? Are you? Yeah. What Goa will be now beautifully presented by this relationship of India Ahead and Prudent. This company, India Ahead, is serious. It's a very serious media house. Unfortunately, media is also going through all this, what you're witnessing. The above everybody attitude is the biggest failure of media. We have to be a part of the system, not above the system. Loud noises, screaming doesn't make media great. In fact, you kill the soul of media. And when you kill anything soul, it dies permanently. There is still a lot of hope in the media setup. India Ahead and Prudent, as all of you know, is your favorite TV channel in Goa, the number one, has always left it. His job is clear, the responsibility is clear. Just say the news. Don't give too much of opinion.
I think this is something which the Prime Minister has often spoken about. The story of India is not the story of Delhi or not the story of Mumbai. It's not the story of Noida. It's not the story of a few metros. It's the story of what happens in Indian states. When I took over this responsibility of India Ahead and took it up as a challenge, my friends, my partners like Sudeep, Arjun, we spent a lot of time trying to think, are we just going to be another TV channel? Because we don't want to be another TV channel. We've been there, done that. You know, how do we create a new chapter? How do we create a new trajectory for ourselves? How do we try and embark on a territory which may be difficult, may not have been attempted in the past, but something which will create a new narrative for us? So we thought that if the story of India is in Indian states, and if nobody is talking about these Indian states, then we will jolly well go and we will talk about those states. So this great partnership which has been created between Arjun and Joe and the phenomenal friendship and camaraderie that I'm witnessing here in Goa. I want you to know, Honorable Chief Minister, this is just the first step. We want to build on this. We are literally on the trajectory of trying to be the voice of states at the national level.
Goa is a very tiny, everybody can reach to the Honorable Chief Minister. Every minister is within 1 hour of time. People reach to every MLA and every minister. Voices are raised against the government because government makes the policies. And there is a gap of communication in between the people, misunderstanding, and which is sought out by mediating the medias, different reporters, the media persons. It's very nice to take this decision by the Prudent because in Goa, we were not shine at the national level. Especially, there are many things has been happened in the state of Goa, but Goa has not get that much publicity at the national level.
There is, sometimes you watch the television and you feel that there is no world beyond Delhi, Mumbai and the metros. And I think from that point of view, this is really important, this is really historic. Very quickly, let me tell you what we are doing here. We are starting with a weekly program on India Ahead. Then we are going ahead, we will do it twice a week, then we'll do it thrice a week, and I can very confidently say as the election comes closer, which is hardly 16 months away, the plan is to go on India Ahead every day. So we are going to create programming every day as we go closer to the election. So I think that is the kind of coverage Goa is going to get, and I'm really thankful to the entire team of India Ahead, Bhupen, Gautamji, Arjunji, because I think Goa always deserved such kind of attention, but never got. And not only Goa, I think every Indian state deserves that kind of attention. I still remember our good old days with NDTV or CNN, IBN initially, when that is how journalism used to be. It was not only Delhi or Mumbai or metros. And then things changed. And it increasingly became very focused, limited to 3-4 cities, and rest of India was either ignored or forgotten.
I'm extremely happy to be present here today to witness the joining hand of nationally present news channel India Ahead, and along with the Goa's premier channel Prudent Media. As Mr. Govind Moita, that the India Ahead had started early in 2018 by the Andhra Prabha Media Group, and which was the rich experience of 80 years in the field of journalism and commitment to the independent and fairness in its reporting. As far as the Prudent Media is concerned, I am witness to its growth since 2006. I have seen them serving the people of Goa with all the fairness, and the reporting has always been bold and backed by facts. They have been always taken forward the topics relevant to the people of Goa. I must use this opportunity to express my gratitude and support they have extended to the government in spreading the message of during the COVID-19, and they continue doing so.